Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing essentials. Sign into Power Apps with your Microsoft 365 account and confirm your license. Once signed in, connect a data source like a SharePoint list, Excel in OneDrive, or Dataverse table so your app has live data. Next, create a Canvas app from blank and pick phone or tablet layout depending on target device. This first step gets you into the editor immediately. Make sure to name the app clearly and save the draft before moving on. Now design the middle. Add a browse screen, a detail view, and an edit/create screen to structure flow. Once done, insert controls like galleries for lists, forms for records, and buttons for actions, and bind their items or data source properties to your connected table. For behavior use formulas, navigate to move screens, patch to write changes, filter and sort for lists. Make sure to test bindings frequently, and use preview to validate that selection and edit actions. Finish by validating and publishing. Add required field checks, if error around saves, and clear user messages so people know what to fix. Once complete, save your app, publish to the organization, and share access with specific users or security groups. Finally, test on real devices and in different browsers to confirm responsiveness. If things go wrong, check delegation warnings and data source limits first. These cause truncated queries. Adjust filter or use delegible functions to resolve most missing data issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.